It's good to see you.
Good to see you too. Aww.
That's Draven.
You look cute.
So.
There's Tip Tip. Go give her a hug. What are you doing?
She got big.
Yeah.
I'm 7.
She's 7. Come here, give me a hug. Missed you. Look, there's Draven. What do you think?
He's small.
Yeah, get him out of there.
I want to hug him. I want to hug him.
You know how to hold him? One hand under his butt, other hand across his back. You got it?
Oh, look at them.
I want to take a picture.
It's on video, honey.
She's been videotaping us since you came in the door.
Angel! Angel, look at me.
Look at these buddies.
Oh, yeah, he grabs hair, so be careful.
He doesn't mean to.
Yeah. You wanna see? See his teeth? If I'll show them.
He's holding my
Don't drop the baby. He's heavy.
Yeah, he's a
Yes.
big baby.
He's a really big baby. But he's not heavier than me.
No, that's
No.
not now anyway. He will be when he gets older.
Okay, that's it for the special reunion. We'll do more video later. Happiest girls in the world right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Happiest baby. And daddy.
So are